guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So today I am going to be reviewing the new, is it new? I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me. So we're going to be reviewing the new e.l.f. Summer Breeze palette. And I picked this up from my local Walgreens. And I'm going to insert some swatches of the palette here. But basically, I took a poll on my Instagram whether to do a review on this palette or the Wet n Wild. It's like the new Wet n Wild color something trio eyeshadow palette. So everybody voted to do this one first. So this is what we are doing. I still picked up the Wet n Wild eyeshadow because when I was there at Walgreens, it was on sale like 40% off, or no, 50% off. So it's regularly $5. I got it for $2.99, so I couldn't pass on it. So, but we're gonna be reviewing the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette first. So, just like the matte for mattes, it's the same concept, or it's the same line, but this is just their kind of summer-esque palette. So of course it comes with a lovely mirror, so that's always great for traveling, and it comes with 5 eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and compare this palette to the actual picture, that the box that it came in. And like, e.l.f., I want you to do something. Okay, you really can't tell on camera, but like the pictures up here is much darker than the pictures, or much darker in real life, because I thought I was getting some like nice deep browns, but instead these browns over here, they're not really as brown as I would like them to be. Like on the picture, you can't even really tell, but on the actual package you can really tell the difference between these two browns, but right here they look the same, so I'm confused. You see in the swatches that you can barely see the first 5 on my skin tone, but you can see, you know, the darker ones. So I was just, you know, $10 for 5 eyeshadows for e.l.f. Anyway, as per usual, we're gonna take the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the original formula, and we're gonna prime our eyes. I have very, very oily eyes. I'm gonna try one of these pale shades on my eye just to set that. So actually, this third shade right here is kind of my skin tone, so we're gonna take that shade and we are going to set our eye. Next, I think I'm gonna take this kind of peachy color right here and put that in my crease as the transition. And I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush, the e.l.f. blending eye brush. And that's not a bad color. What do you guys think? So next we're gonna be taking the shade right beside it. So this kind of, it looks pink on camera, but it's like a dull pink. I don't know, you know how I am with describing colors, you guys. Oh, this is much more vibrant. So we're gonna leave that alone, and we're actually gonna take this purple shade because it's been calling my name. And we're gonna put that in the outer. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and test out this black to see how it is. And this is the small Morphe E18 brush. And this is just like, I guess it's like a little bullet eyeshadow brush. And I really like it to pat and focus dark colors or specific colors where I want it to go. Oh, this black is not that bad. Look at that. Okay, so since this palette doesn't have any shimmers in it and I really want like a pop of shimmer in this corner or in my lid, we're gonna take ColourPop's Super Shock eyeshadow in Weenie, and it's just this beautiful rose gold. I think it'll look perfect. That's what I want. I'm not mad at it. It looks good. Just need this black is just giving me the troubles because it does not want to blend like I want it to. Went and did my full face. Yes, beat like lashes, eyeliner, lip gloss, ponytail. Okay, so thoughts on this Summer Breeze palette. I think if you have fair skin to light skin, then this will look absolutely beautiful on you. But if you have anywhere from like medium to deep skin tone, like you would probably only be able to use these 3 shades down here. And like, what's the point of buying this whole palette if you can only use these 3 shades? Because as you saw in the swatches, they barely showed up on me. I really thought it was going to be darker based on the packaging and the outside palette. If I was able to like open it and see it, I probably wouldn't have bought it if I saw the real color. So I'm kind of bummed out that I spent $10 for this palette. I definitely love the purple and the black in here. I mean, I think it's pretty. And what really saved this eyeshadow look was that ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow weenie, just to put that all over my lid. I mean, I am going to wear this look for the rest of the day, so it has to look some kind of good if I'm going even, you know, out the house in it. So, but I don't think it's worth my money, and it's probably just gonna collect dust. Maybe I'll give it to somebody else, one of my friends, whoever. But I mean, it's a no from me. It's a nah. If you like this video, if you like this review, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I put out videos whenever I can during my busy schedule. I'm trying, girl. I'm trying. But make sure you follow me on Instagram because I post more looks, and I'll be serving the next couple of weeks because I am going on vacation. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you next time.